Hello all, welcome to this video. This is another video in the gift card lifestyle. It's Cody Wyman here. I would like to go over a brief walkthrough of feature points. I don't know if anybody's been requesting this, but I would rather put that out anyway, just to show you what feature points is all about. There are different things that you can do. You can log in or sign up for an account via your Facebook account or your Google Gmail account. And once you do that and get the pertinence all straightened out, you can begin earning points. Now, I am on the web version of this software site. I am on the PC version, not the phone. Usually you will go on feature points on your phone. A lot of people do. But it has now recently begun to be available on the internet. Now, I do not recommend using Chrome for this site because Chrome has a lot of issues when it comes to extensions, and it has a lot of issues when it comes to this. I don't recommend Safari because it's not available on there, but I do recommend Firefox. Firefox is good for this, and it's probably the best if you wanted to have it on your computer running in the background while you're doing other things as well. You can earn cash back by shopping. So I'm clicking this. And you can do all of these different stores, the Walmart, the Forever 21, Sephora, all of these. You can download apps. And this is the part where you're going to want your phone, and you can download the Feature Points app on Google Play or the iTunes App Store. You can watch videos. And you can complete surveys. And these are the various survey engines that they use. Now, I'm a big fan of Tap Research because they're usually very, very quick and they give you points for trying it out. I'm also a big fan of Peanut Labs. Peanut Labs is awesome. They will also give you points for trying a survey even if you don't get all the way through the qualification process. And Pullfish, they don't really give you points for trying it out, but they will give you points for surveys that you do qualify for. And every survey that you take will be on this ledger. See, the last survey I completed was 228 points, and that was 2 hours ago. And this is my total in points right now, and you could see the ledger for all of those. You can also share with friends on Facebook. You could share on Twitter. You can even copy the link to share on your own blog or email. And that's how you do it. Like I'm going to share on Facebook right now, see if it'll go. And I will click enter and post. And then it'll post to Facebook. And once it does that, we are on our way back to feature points. So, you could also share it on Twitter, but I'm not going to do that right now because I have to log in and that's a pain sometimes. But then once you gather all the different points that you have, you could spend your points by doing gift cards to all these popular things like App Store and iTunes, Amazon, Google Play, PlayStation Store, Starbucks, Xbox. And then it'll break down all of the different gift cards it has for everybody. So there's just not those top ones. These are the most popular ones. But then under all gift cards, there's more. And then you could see Dunkin' Donuts, you can get up to $25 on that. If you go back to Amazon, you can get up to 1,000, which will be 600,000 points. You have to have 600,000 points to redeem that. To get $1, you have to get 600 points. So right now I can get a $1 Amazon gift card or PayPal. It works the same way, and for 600 points. But that is, you can get 600 points very quickly by doing surveys or watching videos, and that usually is how I do it. And then you can also go down to the cash, like one PayPal dollar is worth 600 points, like I said. You can go ahead and redeem it. It goes all the way up to 1,000 USD, which is 600,000 points. So rack up those points and you can get the more referrals and videos and surveys you complete, the more points you'll get towards your goal. There's also Bitcoin. I don't do Bitcoin because I'm not a big fan of cryptocurrency, so that's just what it is. But I will say that you need to either write down a goal or have a goal for what you're going to do on the site. And I have come up with a goal sheet called Gift Card Site Goals that I have purposely put on for many sites that I use in order to make money and make gift cards for buying gifts or paying bills and all that other stuff. So I would suggest, if you're going to do this on any site, to have a list of goals that you have. Otherwise, you're just going to be aiming wildly at this. Last but not least, share this with your friends like we just did. I'm going to copy the link and put it under my YouTube channel here, and you guys could go to it if you would like. If you guys are new to this, you could sign up, and I will be doing more videos on this and other sites, so stay tuned.